Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, Gabby here is actually going to be doing her own install of these new marker lights. So we're actually going to give the whole camera and the channel to her. And Sean and I are going to be playing baseball in the background. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. This is Gabby's first model by herself, so judge her and tell her how good she is.
Oh, this came out easy.
It shouldn't be very... I think that doesn't hurt.
Babe, I need your help. William.
I think that's past you.
Because I have to pull this off to get in there.
Just pull this back.
I had to unscrew it though. It was tucked under here. Thank you. I needed your shit. Oh God. Babe, I might need your help pulling this off too. Oh, never mind, I got it. That's just a light bulb though.
Yeah, you gotta put the LED in.
Yeah. Yeah, this is right.
Okay, so you pull this light bulb out.
Okay.
Just stick that wire connector in.
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay. See, I'm not like the smartest cookie in the...
Boom. Then you just snap it right back in.
Okay.
Here.
Okay, thank
Boom.
you.
All right, my turn.
On to the next side. It's like 3-1 right now, honestly. No, 3-2. It's full count because you had 2 fouls. Ball. Strike. That's what we're talking about. Let's go.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that first part of the video. Here is the only thing I've been able to do with my Camaro for the past 2 weeks is just wash the car. If it's not 90 degrees outside and I don't care to go drag racing when it's that hot, it's raining. So this was one evening at like 8 o'clock. I was like, you know what, I'm just going to wash my car. And with how humid it was outside, I ended up being a complete sweaty mess anyways. So I don't really like being outside when it's that hot, other than when I'm playing baseball. So that's probably why the drag racing content has been a little bit underwhelming recently, which I apologize about. I'd rather be racing, but I don't really care to beat on my car in 90-degree weather if I don't have to, yet I'm going to have to because of Buckeye Skips coming up here in about 3 weeks. So, yeah. Here I am using Meguiar's ceramic wash and wax. I am a big fan of the Meguiar's products. It's just something I've always been used to. Actually, when I was 16, I started watching TJ Hunt, and that was shortly around when he got sponsored, and I've just always stuck with it. I feel like they do very good with their products. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different than what I normally do. I'm a little bit of lacking on the content department. I really haven't had anything major going on or doing what I wanted to do. So I'll hopefully find something here shortly or find a way to get the car out to do something. But other than that, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on Sunday at 6 p.m., which is the new schedule, by the way, guys. But besides that, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.